Happy Ramadan to all my viewers across the globe. May Almighty's blessings be upon all of us. Today in the Ramzan series, I'm going to show you how to make date shake or Khajoor shake. It's a healthy sweet shake made using dates or Khajoor. This shake is wholesome and satisfying. It has goodness of milk with loaded benefits of dates adding to its sweetness. This creamy and incredibly delicious date shake or Khajoor milkshake is not just healthy but easy to prepare as well. And in this lockdown, this is the best filling delight for Iftaar or even in Sehri and can be given to kids or elderly without any guilt. So let's get started. For making this satisfying shake, I have taken dates or Khajoor. I have taken soft ones, so they will be good. If you're not able to find these ones, then you can use the other ones, dried ones, and soak them in water for 2-3 hours or in milk. And I'm taking milk around 2 glasses. So for 2 glasses of milk, I have taken around 7 to 8 dates for 1 glass. And I'm taking saffron strands. I have soaked them in warm milk. This is optional, but it gives a good flavor. You can use cinnamon powder or cardamom powder or saffron, anything, whatever flavor you like, or you can simply skip it. This just gives a flavor. And I'm not adding any kind of sugar because dates are sweet. The first thing, I'll transfer dates to a blender and I'll be adding a little bit of milk to it and blend it to a paste. It won't be a paste, but here you can see like this consistency. Then I'll be adding the remaining milk and saffron. Again, I'm saying that saffron is optional, but it gives a flavor. You can add any other flavor or you can simply skip the flavor. There is no need for any flavoring because dates have their own flavor. And I'm not adding any sugar. If you feel it's not sweet according to your taste, you can add a little bit of sugar or honey. Blend again to few pulses and shake is ready. Here the date shake is ready. Now it's ready to be served and it tastes best when chilled. To make it more savorous, I am adding soaked basil seeds or babri bole or sabza to one of the glasses because I personally like babri bole and it gives a good feel. It makes it more delicious. So here our Khajoor shake or date shake is ready to serve. Dates are source of energy and this shake is perfect to relish on at the time of Iftar or even for Sehri. And dates have many health benefits and this is the easiest shake to make with just 2 ingredients. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Remember in duas. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.